Yo guys, welcome back to one of my YouTube videos. Thank you guys so much for coming back and showing the love. Today I'm going to give you guys 5 tips and tricks on what I think you guys can do to improve your live streaming today in 2020. Alright guys, so tip number 1. My first tip for you guys is to have profile awareness. What this means is actually care about your channel. There's a lot of people that come into my stream and they're like, hey Snug, what do you think? How do you get views? What do you think about my channel? This and that. The number one thing that I recognize in people's channels, you guys don't care. No profile picture, no title, no gamer tag, no bio, there's nothing. You guys don't take effort to even fill out your bio to even tell us why you guys are streaming. That being said, if you guys are watching this video prior to starting to stream, or you guys are just starting to stream, by the end of this video, at least go add a profile picture. Fill out your bio. Let us know why you're here, what you're doing as a streamer, and what you're trying to accomplish. Maybe let us know where you're from, or maybe a little hobby that you have. It'll help get at that interaction and that communication on a whole nother level. As soon as I go into someone's stream, I scroll to their bio, and then I check them out. What are they here for, and what are they about? So this is my second tip for you guys. This is called the no viewer rule. I've heard this from many partner streamers, other content creators on YouTube, Twitch, DLive, etc. There is no reason why any of you guys should be streaming for 0 views. You can pull yourself up on your phone, on your computer, if maybe your parents have a phone, a tablet, anything like that. There's always a reason why there should be one person viewing you, whether that's yourself, a friend, a roommate, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband's, mother's, dog's, brother's, sister's roommate. Always somebody to view you guys. So by consistently having one account out by watching your stream, that puts you thousands of light years ahead of every other content creator that has 0 views in that category of a game that you're playing at that moment of time. Which means that there's probably at least 40 to like 5,000 people streaming Fortnite with 0 views. If say there is 5,000 people streaming it with 0 views and you had 1 view, that puts you 5,000 streams ahead of people when someone's going into a game to watch you and then scrolling down. That's 5,000 streams that you would be ahead of if that was the scenario. Alright, so this is just some food for thought. Alright, so this is 0 viewers, and now I'm not going to go all the way to the bottom because it takes too long. But if I was scrolling on 0 views, I'm going to keep scrolling until we hit at least 1 view. Look at all these streams. 0 views. All of these people should have 1 view. At least 1. Let's go for a faster scroll. Let's go, look at this. Look at all these people that have 0 views. You guys should at least have 1. Boom, now we hit 1. So all of these people you would be ahead of if you had at least 1 view. So think about the discoverability on that. Alright guys, so my third tip for you guys today is to be organic and grow naturally. Do not be a part of these farming spark communities or these lurk communities. Grow organically. Do not do follow for follows. That's going to get you nowhere. You can DM me, hit me up in the comments if you guys are wondering why. I've had experience with follow for follow and I'm definitely willing to express that with you guys, but do not follow for follow. It's going to get you guys nowhere. And if you're going to take anything from this video, don't follow for follow. Alright, so tip number 4. Do not compare your success to other people. Everybody's going to grow at a different pace. Everyone's going to play different games and be a part of different communities. Everyone has different times that they can stream. Not everyone's putting in the same time, with the same effort, with the same page, and the same content, with the same game, with the same person. So don't compare yourself to other people's success, because every single person is going to grow at their own pace, guys. And I'm serious about this. This can put a very big mental toll on you guys, and I think it is very important as a streamer to be mentally healthy and be mentally aware. That's a whole nother video. But by comparing yourself to other people's success, like, oh, I'm putting in so much work, this guy only streams 3 days a week and he's popping off. You know what I mean? Don't take it that way, you know? Take it with a grain of salt. Do your dues, and I guarantee you it will come around. Everybody grows at their own pace. Alright guys, so my 5th and my final tip for you guys today is to ask questions. It's that simple. Everyone is shooting in the dark. Should I try this? Should I do this? They're messing things around. They're messing with their bit rate. Anything that you're trying to do right now streaming wise, I can almost guarantee you that somebody out there is trying to do it or is doing it better than you are. So that being said, find that person, execute what they're trying to do, and if you can't, ask them. I talk to people that are at 200 follows. I talk to people that are at 100,000 follows. And I ask them each and every day, like either, hey, how do you stay motivated? Or, hey, I like that transition. How did you do that? Do you mind if I put something like that into my stream? You know, ask questions. I guarantee you, you'll get to the end of the race a lot faster. It's like a big circled racetrack. But instead of right when you started, you ask the guy, yo, what's the fastest way to get over there? But instead of running all the way around the track, the guy was just like, just walk through the middle. You wouldn't know that if you didn't ask, so just ask questions, guys. Stay lit, stay positive, stay motivated, and be yourself, guys. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up our video. Hope you guys enjoyed those 5 tips and tricks that I think might improve your content or live streaming on Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, DLive, etc. Whatever you guys decide to ponder in 2020, I hope you guys enjoy. If there's anything, and I mean anything, that I can do to improve your experience as a live streamer, content creator, or maybe even personnel, make sure to hit me up. Let me know. If you guys need to vent, anything like that, doors are open to you guys. We also have a Discord for comments and concerns, so be sure to hit us up on there. If you guys did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If it's another tips and tricks video, please let me know. Let's keep in mind that I am just a small streamer. I'm by no means Ninja or Shroud, or I don't have 100,000 follows. These are just my tips and tricks that I think might improve your experience as a live streamer in 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Snug, giving you them positive vibes, and I am out.